Okay, so Derek, can you tell me what you guys are doing?
What the guys are doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, right now they're knocking out the concrete slab that's really thick at that end and sits down on a concrete pillar onto a footing. So it's one step at a time.
You're gonna go down.
The main concrete slab is gone. The slab at this end, they're taking it off section at a time to see what's underneath it, and should it require further investigation, they'll continue to go. Tomorrow the engineer comes, so we want everything exposed for the engineer so they can then take a look at the building as it is and decide whether or not we need to actually be effectively to fix this problem, even go further into the building, and that means dismantling this, going down, putting a proper foundation in.
Wow. What would be dismantled if you need to go further?
Up into the wall that bears directly over the temple.
Wow. Okay.
Now, switch her off for me.